Hello everybody, welcome to Gap Languages. In today's video we have some basic adjectives in Farsi Dari. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to say the adjectives, and you can also pause the video and repeat after me. And at the same time I'm going to make some sentences based on each adjectives. If you like contents like this, you can hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to study with one of our tutors, you can definitely check our website at www.gaplanguages.com, or you can see the details and information down in the video description. Alright everybody, let's get started. Khasta, khasta, khasta. Khasta is somebody who's tired. So it could be physically, khasta, khasta. So if I say he is or she is tired, I say او khasta ast. او khasta ast. The next one, qad baland, qad baland, qad baland. Somebody who's tall. او qad baland ast. He or she's tall. Qad baland, qad baland. If you say I'm tall, ma qad baland astum. Ma qad baland astum. Okay, the next one. Hard, we say sakht, sakht, sakht. I khesht sakht ast. Sakht, sakht. I khesht sakht ast. This brick is hard. Khushhal, khushhal, khushhal is happy. او دختر خوشحال است. او دختر خوشحال است. That girl is happy. زیبا، زیبا، زیبا. Beautiful. ای الماس زیبا است. ای الماس زیبا است. نرم، نرم، نرم. ای نرم است. ای نرم است. This is soft. غمگین، غمگین، sad. او بچه غمگین است. او بچه غمگین است. مصروف، مصروف، مصروف. او دختر مصروف است. That girl is busy. Alright everybody, that is the end of the video for today's lesson. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more contents like this. Okay, take care and Khuda Hafiz.